Nick Rudder for McKee's 37 Marine and RV. Repel glass and plastic cleaner is the one-step solution for cleaning and protecting exterior and interior glass, clear plastic, isinglass, and any other plastic material, including your instrument clusters. This alcohol and ammonia-free formula features an advanced non-ionic surfactant that removes dirt, grime, and salt overspray while depositing a protective coating that causes water to bead up and roll off. Simply spray it on and wipe it off using a high-quality, lint-free microfiber towel. That's McKee's 37 Marine and RV Repel glass and plastic cleaner.